Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your messenger delay. To know how to fix or how to solve your messenger delay, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will search about the window of messenger. Then this list of app on file, you click for stop and you click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Messenger. If you will find here in this blue sign update, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.